Third phase of 6th Upazila Parishad elections in 87 Upazilas is underway. The voting has begun at 8 a.m. on Wednesday and will continue till 4 p.m. without any break. However, at this stage, the polling of 22 Upazilas have been postponed due to Cyclone Remal. It is reported that the voter turnout in the polls is slightly low since morning, but it has increased after a few hours. Meanwhile, two candidates of Bogura Shodor Upazila have been accused at the candidate in the pineapple symbol for grabbing 8 centers. Meanwhile, voters are facing problems with voting in EVMs in Pabna. According to Election Commission, 1,152 people are contesting in the third phase election. Among them, 397 candidates are competing for the post of chairman, 456 for the post of vice chairman, and 299 candidates are for the post of female vice chairman.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।